The sound of heavy metal crushing the earth echoes across the battlefield. A colossal machine emerges from the haze, an armored beast of war, sleek yet terrifying, powerful yet graceful in its motion. This is the military tank, the ultimate symbol of strength, defense, and domination. As it rolls forward, every bolt, every plate of armor tells a story of engineering excellence and human ambition. From the dawn of mechanized warfare to the modern era of digital targeting and AI-assisted combat, the tank has remained one of the most fearsome and respected creations in military history. Imagine standing before this steel monster, its turret rotating with precision, its engine growling like thunder, its massive cannon ready to unleash power that can turn the tide of battle. The military tank isn't just a vehicle, it's a moving fortress, designed to withstand the harshest attacks and crush through any defense. Every inch of its structure serves a purpose, every detail refined through decades of innovation and battlefield experience. It all began during the dark days of World War I, when armies were locked in deadly trench warfare. Soldiers needed protection, mobility, and firepower, something that could cross no man's land, break enemy lines, and survive gunfire and explosions. Thus, the first tanks were born, slow, boxy, unreliable, but revolutionary. They terrified enemies and inspired armies across the world to invest in armored warfare. By World War II, the tank had evolved into a devastating force. The German Panzer, the Soviet T-34, the American Sherman, all became legends, dominating fronts across Europe, Africa, and Asia. These machines weren't just tools of destruction, they were symbols of power and progress. The T-34's sloped armor revolutionized protection, making bullets glance off instead of piercing through. The Sherman was reliable and easy to produce, allowing the Allies to field thousands. The Panzer series introduced precision engineering, speed, and tactical coordination. Together, they changed warfare forever. As technology advanced, so did the tank. The Cold War era brought an arms race of innovation. Nations poured resources into creating faster, stronger, more intelligent tanks. The Soviet Union developed the T-72 and T-80, tanks that balanced mobility and firepower. The United States unveiled the M1 Abrams, a marvel of modern engineering, equipped with composite armor, thermal imaging, and a gas turbine engine capable of incredible speeds for its size. The British Challenger and the German Leopard series continued this evolution, proving that the tank was not just a relic of old wars but a cornerstone of modern defense. Inside a tank, the atmosphere is intense, tight, hot, and humming with machinery. The crew operates in perfect coordination: the driver, the gunner, the loader, the commander. Each member relies on the other, their roles synchronized like gears in an engine. Communication is key, as every decision can mean the difference between survival and destruction. When the gunner locks onto a target and the commander gives the order, the cannon erupts with a thunderous blast, sending a shell traveling miles with pinpoint accuracy. Modern tanks today are more than just armored vehicles. They are mobile command centers, equipped with sensors, radar, and satellite communication. They can detect enemy movement, coordinate with drones, and even operate autonomously. Advanced armor like reactive and composite plating can absorb or deflect anti-tank missiles. Some models use active protection systems that fire countermeasures to destroy incoming projectiles midair. The evolution of the tank is a testament to human ingenuity, turning steel and circuitry into a masterpiece of engineering and warfare strategy. But tanks are not only built for offense, they serve as guardians of territory and peace. In many countries, tanks stand as symbols of national pride and security. Their presence alone can deter aggression. When they roll through the streets during parades or training exercises, they remind citizens and rivals alike of the nation's strength and readiness. Beyond warfare, the image of the tank has entered culture and history. It's featured in movies, video games, documentaries, and museums. Kids grow up fascinated by their power, their design, their sheer dominance. The tank embodies the balance of destruction and protection, capable of immense damage, yet often deployed to preserve peace. Engineers continue to push boundaries, developing lighter, more efficient models using hybrid power systems and AI-driven targeting. The future of tanks may involve stealth technology, drone integration, or even unmanned operation, where human operators control them remotely. Imagine a battlefield where tanks coordinate themselves, communicate through encrypted networks, and make tactical decisions using real-time data. The future of armored warfare is already being written, and tanks will remain at the center of it. From the muddy fields of World War I to the digital battlefields of tomorrow, tanks have stood the test of time. They have evolved from mechanical giants into smart machines, symbols of resilience, dominance, and protection. Their thunderous engines remind the world that power is not just about might but about mastery of design, strategy, and innovation. So the next time you see one of these steel titans rolling down a parade route or displayed proudly in a military museum, remember, this isn't just a vehicle. It's a living piece of history, forged by necessity, refined by ingenuity, and immortalized by bravery. The military tank is not merely a weapon, it's a statement of human determination to defend, to advance, and to endure.